What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep your stovetop clean, especially for when you get like tough stains, like say for instance you're frying chicken and some oil spilled or something, like some tough grease stains, and you're just trying to figure out like how to get it off. This is the method that I've been using. I've been using this for quite some time with this stove and with my past stove, just to get the stains off. So you would be applying lemon to the stove first. So I'm just using a piece of lemon and just going ahead and scrubbing the top of the surface with this lemon. And the lemon helps to get rid of any rust, like above the screws. Sometimes it might get rusty depending on how long you take to clean it. It might get a little rusty, so the lemon helps with getting rid of the rust, and it also helps as an exfoliant to just clean off the surface. So right now I'm just going to add a little bit of baking soda, not too much, just to create a paste, and then I'm still going to use the piece of lemon to just go ahead and scrub it on. And once I scrub this paste onto the stove, I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes has passed, or 15 minutes has passed. So I'm just gonna go ahead with a paper towel and wipe this off. After I wipe it off with a paper towel, I'm just going to be using some mild dish liquid and just going with the rough part of my sponge and just giving it a nice little scrub, just to take off whatever excess the paste did not remove, but it did soften. The rough sponge is going to help with that. Okay, so I gave that a nice little scrub. So I'm just gonna rinse out my sponge, and then I'm going to take the soft side and wipe off the excess soap, and we're pretty much done. And you could repeat this step as much as possible until you get rid of that tough, stubborn stain, and it works like a charm. Try to do this as often as possible, just so that you could keep your stovetop looking spanking new and shiny. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, definitely click that subscribe button. I have lots of other content to come. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.